Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open iMovie and start a new project for your video. Import your clips into the library and drag a clip to the timeline. Position the playhead where you want text to appear in the clip. Click the Titles tab to see built-in presets and templates available. Choose a title style that matches your scene and drag it above the clip where the playhead is placed. Release to add a title overlay and select it to begin editing the text content. Double-click the title overlay in the timeline, then type directly into the preview to edit the text. Use the title controls to change font, size, and alignment to match your project. Select a font family and pick a size number that fits the frame proportion. Set alignment to left, center, or right, and adjust the style weight when available. Change the title duration by dragging the overlay edges to set exact size. For motion, apply built-in text animations or transitions to add simple movement to your title. Select an animation preset that suits the tone, such as fade, slide, or type on effect. To create more complex looks, layer multiple title overlays and stagger their start times in the timeline. Use lower thirds, stacked captions, or callouts by adjusting position and opacity values. When satisfied, export the final video using File, Share, and choose resolution, codec, and quality settings. Save as an MP4 or share directly to a platform from the export menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.